Obi, come over here. Give me the stick.
So in this episode of So Slow, alrighty, so back at another adventure, going to a track day. This time, again, no surprise. I went to Pahrump over the weekend, and it was a bit special for me because it was actually my birthday week/weekend, and I really wanted to just, have fun at the track, doing what I love with people that I like, and that's what I did. So I ended up going to Spring Mountain over the weekend, and it was dope because I originally planned to only ride one day, which was a Saturday, and just thought about just coming back on Sunday. But I ended up riding both Saturday and Sunday, and interestingly, or I guess oddly enough, it's been a minute, but I actually rode to the last session on the second day, which is pretty rare and I haven't done in a while. So I just wanted to share the fun that I had over the weekend. And this wasn't really set up as a vlog format, but again, this is just for the purpose of sharing. And yeah, enjoy. Oh yeah, daylight saving. We up early, day 2. Let's go.
Cold. Yeah, it's cold. It's pretty chilly.
Not that cold, dude.
Wow, dude, 6 in the morning. These guys are crazy. Ooh, John's in there. Oh, look at John.
John's a savage.
Yeah, look at his face. Oh, damn. Okay.
Look at your neck, bro. Come on. Look at your chin. Fucking cheating. Oh, it's in your mouth, bro. Come on. So demanding.
We're back here for round 2.
He's got the Dunlop, dude.
Are you guys ready for round 2?
Let's
Ready to
do
roll.
this.
Round 2.
He's got the Dunlop, dude. That used to come out. As his.
video on a good note. I rode 2 days at Spring Mountain in Pahrump, Nevada. It was a super fun weekend with a bunch of good friends. We had a couple mishaps, but honestly, nobody got seriously hurt or anything, so somewhat of a good news. The boys will come back strong and stronger. Just wanted to say thanks for watching if you made it to the end. If you get the opportunity, go to Spring Mountain. It's super fun, super worth it. This year Spring Mountain was a bit difficult because Death Valley is currently closed down after this crazy rain, I think, and the government isn't cleaning it up or fixing the road. Therefore, you kind of have to like swing a little bit of south. So anyways, so due to the Death Valley closure, you have to kind of swing around Vegas. Adds about an hour of delay, so the entire drive is taking about 4 hours, I want to say 4 to 5 hours depending on traffic. But other than that, this year everything else was great. I had fun. Anyways, if you enjoyed this content, let me get that like, sub will be nice. If any questions, anything pops up, let me know in the comments. Have a good one. I'm gonna drive home. Hopefully I make it safe. Bye.